Welcome to Scotland. Malamig. Di ko alam kung -9 and -7 yung temperature ngayon, but it's cold. At currently, plan namin today, we'll go to a chapel. It's a popular chapel, especially kung may interest ka sa mga Knights Templars, sa Masonry. Ang tawag sa chapel na ito ay Roslin Chapel. So may entrance lang siya. Ang entrance niya ay ang entrance going to Roslin Chapel ay $11.50 pounds if you're for the regular ticket, and then for adults naman it's 9.50 pounds. And it's 20 minutes away drive. We rented a car 20 minutes from here sa McDonald Road going to Roslin. So 10:30 yung ticket namin, and we're just preparing. Hintay lang namin yung mother-in-law ko makababa, and then we'll go straight na to Roslin. Ayun, at exciting. After this we'll go up north, we'll go to Inverness. We'll go to distillery. Sa distillery dito kami nagstay, ang Airbnb. Ayan, dito sa lugar na ito. It's number 10 in front of the Hope Town Crescent. So we're here in front of the castle, the Edinburgh Castle. Wala pa kami tickets. Ayun sa malapit oh. Wala pa kami tickets, pero picture lang kami ni Papa.
Bakit na makabalik?
So meron silang chapel cat. Chapel cat. His name is William.
Meron dito.
Alright. So here. We'll gather here. So this, my friends, is the Roslin Chapel. So if you're familiar with the movie Da Vinci Code, it was shot here. Pero if you're like me, who's part of the Masonic family, very important itong chapel na to, because this is where the Knights Templars seek refuge, and there are graves or underneath the chapel. So yan siya. Ako matagal ko siyang dati parang inisip ko hindi naman na makapunta dito before, but I'm here right now. Diba? So good things happen if you dream for it. Ayan, sikat yan.
Energy items, and we do have over 100 green men and women here also. So it's fun time over here.
Roslin Chapel. See, ganda, majestic. I mean, if you're part of the Masonic family, you will definitely recognize this chapel because it's important do sa history. Anta dito, meron doon si William St. Clair, isa knight. Sabi, nakalagay dun sa kanyang tomb. It's a Knight Templar. And in the movie Da Vinci Code, this is also one of the scenes where si Robert Langdon nag-end yung kanyang quest to find clues kung nasaan yung chalice. Fiction yun, it's not a real story, but the real story here is super mayaman. Sobrang ganda ng story ng Roslin Chapel because madami siyang pinagdaanan, madami siyang na-experience, but still it stood tall pa rin. Maganda yung kanyang architecture, maganda yung kanyang history. Meron diyang story about the apprentice and the master mason. He commissioned the master mason, commissioned his apprentice to create a column or a pillar, one of the pillars. Nung nakita niya na nakatayo na yung pillar inside, nainggit siya. He became jealous of the art or the work did by the apprentice. And because of that extreme jealousy, hinampas niya ng mallet sa ulo yung apprentice, killing the apprentice instantly. So yan, may story siya ng murder. So if you know the story naman of Hiram Abif, who's naging isa sa mga icon in the Old Testament. He's the chief architect of King Solomon. And sa Masonry din, si Hiram Abif, isa sa mga kilala or isa sa mga important figures. I wasn't able to film inside kasi hindi pwede mag-film inside. The carvings, para may mga clues. There are trivia din. There are works or may mga bagay na nakasulat na naka-curve doon. Ini-explain nila. But definitely, all the information or all the carvings are up to your interpretation. It's like religion. It's like faith. There's no exact faith. There's no exact that will tell you this should be your faith. Ganito. So, ganun din siya. Whatever details are inside is really up to your interpretation. This chapel has a lot of better stories to tell. True stories to tell. A lot of interpretation. And a lot of history in store. Diba? Dati, the first time ko na-encounter to, syempre naging interested ako sa kasi my father sa Mason, as di mulay ako. And if you're part of the community, you'll be interested. Bisita kayo here. If you have time, if you have resources, punta kayo dito sa Roslyn Chapel. You help the community, you help the organization, the non-profit organization managing this. We're purchasing tickets, yung guidebook. Tapos, it's fun. It's fun. Okay, I think after this we'll go north na. And it's almost lunchtime.
Mag-selfie. Mag-selfie. Ba yung camera mo, mas maganda.
Okay.
Saan pa kayo sa Manila?
Saan po kayo sa Manila?
Ayun ba?
Kami po Bulacan talaga.
Saan sa marami doon?
So, may nakita kami mga Pinoy from Bulacan.
Isabela.
Yan.
Sa ilog mo to.
Hello po.
City. Malapit po sa
Yan.
Sa Kamuninga po.
Yan. They're from Bulacan.
From Bulacan. But I'm not related to someone there.
Sila taga-Bulacan silang tatlo. Taga-Bulacan kasing asawa.
Bulacan po.
Dito po sila dito sila.
Here.
Malay niyo magkita-kita ulit.
The families, they're in Bulacan.
Birthday ni Ogan niya.
Ayan, yan. So, they're enjoying then the scenes.
Sinado na ako next.
Diba?
Rose, by the way. Rose, ingat po kayo.
Okay po, thank you po.
Jojo and
So, may na-meet kami Pinoy. Base sila sa Sunderland, tas base sa somewhere here, 10 minutes din. Thank you! So, mababait yung mga taga Scotland so far. Mabait, entertaining. The guy right there, yung sa parking attendant, he greeted us with a wonderful welcome. He gave us instructions on where to go, ngayon, the works. Tapos ayun. And bumili ako ng book. Ito hindi ko pa nababasa. Some other books, yung Hiram Key, Holy Blood, Holy Grail, nabasa ko na yun. Ito hindi pa. Although, I think naman some of the information here alam ko. Pero, basahin ko na rin. Diba? May Scotland yung book eh. Alright, sige. We'll go in a bit. We'll go na. So, may theater sa taas. Dito kami nag-lunch or late lunch sa Portnacraig. There, you name that. Portnacraig. It's a port. So there's a bar, tea, coffee, beer. Tapos behind me, there's a theater. Portnacraig. So masarap yung food nila here. We ate. Interesting menu. Food is very interesting and delicious as well. Ito yung view. Pa pwede kang mag-dine. You can dine in inside Fisherman's Bar sa Port na Craig or here sa labas. So if you dine sa labas, medyo al fresco. You almost wanted to eat here, but it's super cold. It's cold because here in Scotland. So ito yung itsura niya. So I highly recommend if you go here in Pitlochry. So sa Pitlochry, yeah, here Port na Craig Inn and restaurants. So, napag-isip-isip namin. Wala lang. Medyo parang mas mabait yung mga tao here. Ayoko naman mag-compare or something, but wala, friendly lang. Yung pag may dumadaan, hi, hello. Ganon. Tsaka, in terms of scenes naman, maganda yung mga sceneries, nature, tahimik. Food is great also. Well, ako lang naman, pag sinabing Scotland, medyo sosyal. Pag sinabi mo, saan ka nagaling? Saan ka napunta? Pag sinabing England, okay, England. Pero pag sinabi yung, saan ka galing? Scotland. Parang, iba yung feeling. Ako lang naman yan. Yeah. Gusto mo talaga ng tahimik na life, parang ito. Kasi parang sige, nag-Liverpool kami. Okay, Liverpool. Between Liverpool and London. Siyempre, bias ako sa Liverpool. And yun din yung experience ko. Mabait yung tao. Pero, Scotland, ibang level eh. Ibang klaseng... Ayun nga eh. Kasi meron pang bultog din. Ayan. Port na Craig Inn Restaurant and Riverside Bar. Malamig lang yung sa labas kaya hindi kami nakapag Riverside Bar. Woo. Pitlochry. So after this, punta kami ng distillery. Dito ngayon kami sa Blair Athol. It's a whiskey manufacturing distillery. So diba sikat ang Scotland sa mga Scottish whiskey? Kaya nga Scottish whiskey. Amoy yan, no? Amoy alcohol na. So, amoy whiskey.
May alcohol dyan.
Nakakalasing yung amoy. Okay, ito na yung reception ng Blair Athol. Yung sa Blair Athol, yan, wine, whiskey, distillery dito sa Scotland. And meron siyang Scottish Tourist Board. So, yun yung parang ano na niya eh, parang pang-certify na This is good for tourists. Recommended by the organization. Pasok tayo. Reception. So there's a bar. Right, perfect. Okay.
Mommy, dito.
So there's a shop here. Blair Atoll. So, whiskey tasting. Ito, 20 years. 20 years siya na Blair Atoll. Tama ba yung pronunciation ko? Blair Atoll. Yun, Blair Atoll. Ito yung isa na... Ito yung exclusive daw. Isa naman ay yung first namin tinry, medyo smoky, ganun, smoky. Isa ma-alcohol yung isa, yung exclusive. Pero itong 20 years, yung flavor niya talagang masarap sa bibig. Tapos here, mas mararamdaman mo sa tiyan, nababagsak, pero ang sarap niya. Ngayon, so okay. 20 years. Siyempre, mas mahal. 20 years eh. So, ito yung mga ito yung mash. The mash tun. Mash tan. Yan, na siyang bar. So, sa bar na to, you can order whiskey na pwede mong i-taste. Pwede mong tikman. So, meron nga silang isang doon eh. May sinuserve na isa parang plates of different whiskey flavors para you can compare kung ito ba yung wine A, wine B, wine C, wine D, gano'n. Okay. Sarap, wine tasting. Although hindi naman ako masyado mainom or hindi ako masyado mahilig inom na lately, pero since nandito na sa Scotland, diba? Try na rin natin yung whiskey nila. Pero yung 20 years the best talaga. Hindi mawala sa panlasa ko yung 20 years na Blair Atoll. Yan. Fragile. Wine tasting. Ganda. So, lahat yan, mga barrel. Nakita yung mga doon, mga barrel siya. Storage ng mga barrel. So, they distribute or they distribute, yun. Pero, last stopover for today before kami magpunta sa Airbnb. Ito ito yung Culloden. It's a Culloden battlefield. So, may gera during Scottish Revolution. Dito yun. Ito yung spot. So, mga April 16, 1746. So, dito may Lanark Cottage. They call it a Lanark Cottage. Ito yung itsura dati ng mga cottage, yung mga sinuunang Scottish. Siguro mga bahay siguro ni they call this William Wallace, parang ganito. So kung napanood nyo yung Braveheart, yung movie na Braveheart, di ba ganito yung parang bahay nila, yung William Wallace. Lamig. Ayun siya. So medyo may ito, yun nga, Lanark Cottage. So ito para may pagkakahawig doon sa mga bahay ng mga ibatan, di ba? Kasi masyado mahangin dito, malamig. So puro bato yung kanyang walls. Yan, mga bato, thick wall yan. Tapos yung yung bubong niya para warm bubong niya. So itong cottage na to, naging bahay nila yan, or ganyan yung bahay nila. Alright, so andito na kami ngayon sa Airbnb namin dito sa Inverness. At tomorrow alis kami na 9 o'clock, magla-lunch, pupunta kaming castles, pupunta kami ng Urquhart at saka ng Isle of Donan. Yeah, I think yung name na mga pupuntahan naming castles ngayon. Because Scotland is exciting, di ba? Yeah, that's it. Nantok na ako eh. And marami pang there are a lot of things to do. Abangan nyo lang sa mga videos ko. Tomorrow it's another day, another video. And I hope you like it. Sana ma-enjoy nyo rin. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching T2D Vlogs. And hope to see you on the next one. Alright? Babush!